or you can call me Chickadee. That's my nature nickname. Have you picked yours? If you haven't, go ahead and pick one. So today I'm here to show you how to make a bird feeder. We can make it with pine cones or with a toilet paper roll. So all you need to remember is when you go for a nature walk, try to find some pine cones. Okay, so I'm gonna call my special helper and show you how to make one. Let's go. I'm back here with my special helpers. And by the way, do you have a nature nickname?
Yeah, mine is Willow.
How about yours?
Mine is Blue Jay.
Okay, Willow and Blue Jay, I'm gonna ask you to pick one special pine cone and now grab a big scoop of peanut butter. Good job. And how about you? And you're going to spread that peanut butter with the spoon or with your fingers, whatever you like, all around the pine cone. And once you're ready spreading it out, you're going to dip it in the bowl of seeds. Make sure there's a lot of seeds in there for those birds that want to eat from it. We're back here the next day with our bird feeders ready to hang in our backyard. So just pick a good branch, a big tree like the one we have here, or even use your old Christmas tree and hang all your bird feeders. But don't worry, if you don't have a big tree or your old Christmas tree, just make your own pot, put some sand and some old branches and hang them all there and let the birds come to you.